I'm Darlene Tennis from Casa Q, and today we're going to make bacon and blue stuffed mushrooms. It's with crispy bacon and fresh blue cheese, and they're great crowd pleasers for all those parties you're going to be having. So now for our bacon and blue mushrooms, we're going to add the bacon bits that we cooked earlier. And you just want to add that right into the cream cheese. And we're going to add some blue cheese, nice fresh blue cheese, some accent cheese. Again, like I said, you can use any type of accent cheeses, but today we're making bacon and blue, and we're going to just mix it up really nice. Okay, great. Now that we have the filling done, we're going to get our mushrooms, and you want to get the biggest mushrooms that you can. And then what you're going to do is you just grab the stem and just wiggle it a little bit. It pops out, and you have a nice little bowl there so you could put your fillings in. Now that we have the little mushroom bowls, we're going to get the filling that we made earlier and just fill up that bowl with our blue cheese and bacon filling. And there you go, it's just like that. Sometimes when you have really round mushrooms, you want to just cut a little bit off the bottom just so it stays flat on the cookie sheet. Once you're done filling your appetizers, you want to put it on the cookie sheet, put it underneath the broiler, and it should be in there probably less than 5 minutes depending on how hot your broiler is. And you want to keep an eye on it. When it's slightly brown on top, you want to pop it out and you're ready to go. And here we go, we have the final bacon and blue stuffed mushrooms. Yummy, ready to eat. And if you want the recipe, go to casaq.com and hasta pronto.